Hey, I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. So in this video, I want to talk about how to make money from YouTube, how to turn your YouTube videos into passive income. And I'm going to share with you how you can make money from your YouTube channel, even if you have a small channel and a small audience, and even if you're not monetized, meaning you can't necessarily run ads on your YouTube channel yet because you don't have the 1,000 hours and 4,000 hours of watch time. Excuse me, I do have a bit of a cold, but I'm going to get through this video and give you guys some really good content today. So like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I make all entrepreneurship videos, entrepreneurship mindset, different ways to make money from home, and of course affiliate marketing. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. So the $1 million question is how to turn your YouTube channel into passive income. Well, there's a few ways that you can actually achieve that. The first way that I talked about is by having your YouTube channel monetized. This is how most people think is the only way you can make money from home or with your YouTube channel, is by obtaining 4,000 hours of watch time and the requirement of 1,000 subscribers in order for Google to run ads on your channel, which of course you get paid for. But in this video, I want to share with you two different ways that you can monetize your content. So the first way you can start making money from your YouTube channel, even if you have a small audience, even if you're not monetized, is through CPA marketing. CPA marketing is cost per acquisition or cost per action. And this is where you partnership with a company, advertise this company's products, and they send you a commission every time somebody takes an action. For example, let's say that I made videos on real estate or if I was a real estate agent. So what I would do personally is I would go to Max Bounty. I would pick an offer where you get paid every time somebody does an action, like filling out this small form. They don't have to buy anything. They don't have to pull out their credit card. All you're doing is simply referring people to a website, and when they take an action, the company will pay you. And as you can see right here, we have Renters Insurance paying you $9 per lead. All you would have to do is continually create content and then forward them to something that makes you money, all right? So if you're in real estate, you can forward people to an online loan, or you can forward somebody to how to get their interest rate, whatever can pay you. And Max Bounty isn't the only place that you can find amazing offers where a person does not have to pull out their credit card, does not necessarily have to make a sale, but you can get paid for every lead that you send this company. And you don't have to have a huge audience. You just have to be very deliberate with the content that you make so that you can help only a certain type of audience, all right? You can't make videos on comedy and then real estate and then blogging and then fitness. You want to have one channel about one topic so that you could send people to something that's going to help you, that's going to help them, and also put money in your pocket. The second way you can make money from your YouTube channel, even with a small audience, is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product and they send you a percentage of the sale every time you send them a new customer, all right? There's plenty of companies that actually do this. You could partner with Walmart. Walmart has an affiliate program where they pay you a percentage, and you can literally just talk about the items you have inside your house. Everybody shops at Walmart, so what you would have to do with your YouTube channel is do product reviews maybe, all right? Talk about that blender that you bought. Talk about that couch or that TV stand, and you do a review on this product that you bought from Walmart. And you tell people, hey, click at the bottom of the description, which will be your affiliate link that's tied to the Walmart affiliate program, and that's how you get paid. You can also do this with Amazon, right? Amazon is pretty cool because if you send somebody to Amazon for one product, Amazon has a cookie on their website, which means they track every visitor that comes to them. And when somebody clicks on your affiliate link and lands on the Amazon website to purchase something, anything that they put in their cart, in their shopping cart within a 24-hour period, you can get paid from, right? And there's plenty of people that do this online. They do microphone reviews, like for bloggers. They do reviews on products that are sold on Amazon, and they tell people, hey, if you want to purchase this product, click on the link at the bottom of the description. And when they get there, even if they don't purchase that item that they came to Amazon for, because you sent Amazon a customer, anything that they put inside their shopping cart, you can earn a commission on within a 24-hour period. So it is amazing to make money online with affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways you can make money online, even as a beginner. All right, this is the #1 side hustle for beginners online. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to get started, I want to share with you the very same training that I got that's helping me build my online business. It is a 15-day business builders challenge. So it takes you from day 1 all the way down to day 15 and gives you a blueprint strategy, a step-by-step strategy, so that you could turn affiliate marketing into potentially a full-time business, because there's people making full-time income with affiliate marketing well over 6 figures. All right, so this can be done by leveraging the internet, guys. They say it is better to get paid 1% from a multitude of people than to earn 100% from your own efforts, because we're only one person. We can't duplicate ourselves, right? We can't. But if you can leverage the power of the internet and give people what they want, of course, you'll get what you want as well. I am dedicated to making $10,000 or more from home online through creating content and affiliate marketing. So if you want to join me, visit my website. It's the first link in the description. I will be posting all my videos and my progress along the way. But I encourage you guys to join me. All right. You see that the world is changing, and there is no guarantee in your job, guys. There's no such thing as job security, and that was proved during this pandemic. Right? A lot of people got laid off, even in manager roles. Right? Companies bellied up. Right? So if you want to learn how to capitalize and leverage the power of the internet, I'd love to share with you this affiliate marketing, this high ticket affiliate marketing training program that can get you started making money from home. All right, even as a beginner or as a busy person that just wants to generate an extra stream of income. Try this. Google your favorite company and then type in associate program or affiliate marketing program, and you can probably partner with this company. The companies that you love shopping at, right? Reebok has a affiliate marketing program. I believe Nike has an affiliate program. A lot of different companies that sell softwares, physical products, and even digital products. You can partner with these companies and start generating a passive income through your YouTube channel. I'm hoping you utilize these 2 passive income streams that you can start using right now in 2022, so that you can start making passive income from your YouTube videos and your YouTube content. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless you.